Thanks, Francisco. Thanks, Ken. It is very important for Eve to have the confidence and support of these two great partners. At Eve, we believe mobility is a key to make life more fluid and cities more livable. And this gives us even more certainty of our mission, and that is to bring affordable air mobility to all, connecting people and giving their time back in a safe and sustainable way. And one of our objectives today is to articulate how we plan to deliver on this mission. But to fully appreciate where we're going, it's helpful to first understand where we are coming from. We began back in 2017 as a project within Embraer, specifically with the creation of Embraer X, Embraer's market accelerator. X meant exponential, as Embraer X was created to find disruptive opportunities for exponential growth, just like urban air mobility. Incubating this project within Embraer X allowed us the freedom to access the potential of the brand new market, develop and test various business models, and engage with collaborators from across the ecosystem. It was during this chapter of our development that we made key decisions regarding our business plan, including the design choice of our aircraft, our collaborative approach to fleet operations, and our recognition of the importance of a full-stack solution that includes service and support, as well as air traffic management capabilities. We also define our core principles that continue to guide Eve to this day, including a focus on true urban mobility, where we can provide society with another choice of mobility to avoid the burdens of traffic congestion. A focus on democratizing the benefits of air mobility so that passengers from all walks of life can access affordable, safe, and accessible transportation. And finally, a passion for transforming aviation into a green industry by embracing electrification and putting sustainability at the heart of our activities. In October 2020, we made a decision that the project was mature enough to separate ourselves from Embraer, as per the original plan, making Eve the first company to graduate from Embraer X. We saw this decision as a win-win. On one hand, we had even more freedom to be agile, challenge the status quo, and embrace new ideas. But through ongoing partnership with Embraer, we could also leverage the strengths of a true leader in the aviation industry. Then, just last December, we announced our pending merger with Zanite Acquisition Corp. We expect this transaction to provide Eve with several benefits, including the access to significant levels of growth capital, an even greater level of visibility of customers, partners, and other stakeholders, and advantage in attracting top-tier talent to join our team. So this has been an incredible, exciting evolution this far. And as someone who was there at the very beginning, I'm so proud of our accomplishments to date, and even more excited about our journey ahead. On that note, I will now ask Jerry to share the perspectives of our strategic positioning. Jerry?
Sure, Stein. In September 2021, I made the decision to step off the board of Zanite and join Eve as co-CEO. I made this leap because I view urban air mobility as a once-in-a-generation opportunity. And I view Eve as the company best positioned to capitalize on this transformational opportunity. My perspective is rooted in the following discriminating factors. First, in the market. This is obviously an enormous market, but what is important is that we have chosen to focus on the largest segment of this market, true urban air mobility. We're developing a full-stack solution that will allow Eve to address the entirety of this market. Our solution is second. Eve has chosen a vehicle design and fleet operations model that are, in my view, the most practical, capital efficient, and scalable approach in the industry. Next, our team. We've assembled an all-star group of executives, employees, and board members with significant aviation experience. In other words, this is not the first rodeo for this team. Then there's the support from Embraer. Obviously, the full support from Embraer provides Eve with huge benefits in terms of global resources, proven execution capabilities, and significant cost advantages. Then there's our partner network. The quality and breadth of our partner network is something that I am particularly proud of. Not only do our partners provide a strong endorsement of Eve and our prospects, but we gain enormous leverage by aligning with these industry leaders. And finally, there's our level of revenue visibility. We believe we have built the largest and most diverse order backlog in the industry, comprised of over 1,800 vehicles from 19 different launch customers. To put this into perspective, this order backlog provides revenue visibility that exceeds our first 4 years of aircraft deliveries anticipated in our business plan. You will hear much more about these aspects from the Eve team throughout today's session. But in summary, Stein, I believe we have the right combination of business fundamentals and execution advantages to establish Eve as a premier player in the urban air mobility market.
Me too, Jerry. Even more, because in addition to all the points you explained, at Eve, we believe that a human-centric approach is the best way to move forward. To talk more about this topic, let's give way to Flavia Chacha, our Vice President of User Experience.